stage,
metaverse, and
blockchain sustainability.
That cloud technology will help enable the kingdom vision of 2030.
This is the power of talent and technology in logistics. We have been very much committed to the digital transformation journey of the kingdom.
Because under the leadership of His Royal Highness Prince محمد bin Salman, we're gonna keep up the momentum in partnership with you.
كنا نعمل واليوم نجني، والقادم سعودي، القادم عظيم.